I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and it is Thursday, June 11th. I want to just take a real quick look here at Regeneron. Look, this biotech stock's been going up for quite a while. It really had about as close to a textbook bull here as you could get. Actually not perfect, but close enough. This was a sideways consolidation. These moving averages converged, led by sideways consolidation, and then a breakout, another base, and then a breakout. Now we've got a little pullback. My bet would be that the uptrend is still intact here. That's not a bet, that's a fact. But my bet would be this stock is going to have some consolidation for a while. But you look at its relationship to the 50-day moving average, and it's working. 200-day moving average, and it's working. Big point of sale yesterday, big gap down, and then it just stayed there. Today, selling volume did not surpass yesterday's low, and by the way, yesterday's close was higher than the open. That tells you that the bears capitulated during the day, because otherwise the stock would have closed at the low end of the range. Today, stock opens up about flat, and now the bears are not capitulating. They are in charge. However, watch this level. Watch 498.60. If the stock falls below that level, well, the bulls are no longer fighting. But even then, what happens? We pull down. We've got support right around the 50-day moving average. So the point is, if you wanted to sell the stock, 540 is the place to sell it. Okay, you didn't make that. You're down $40 from the precise top. Okay, you're still fine because the stock continues to trade above this 50-day moving average, and this is typically where disciplined traders buy. They'll wait for a pullback. Sometimes, it doesn't quite get there. It's not a self-fulfilling prophecy. It's just what happens. But you watch and see what happens if this stock pulls back to the 50-day moving average, okay? If it starts to bounce, if it finds some support, that's when you buy this uptrending stock. You buy it when there's evidence that the sell-off has run its course. Yesterday could have been, wait for it, yesterday could have been that evidence, but then today, not so fast there. Okay, so just watch this stock, wait for signs that it actually is bottoming, that this selling is truly done, and that's when you take your entry. Okay, members, over to the strategy session. By the way, if you haven't joined Stock Market Mentor, at least for a free trial, I am inviting you to give it a shot. I do my very, very best on these free videos. I do my very, very best on the premium videos. You get more of my best. Okay, hope to see you there.